It's expected to launch the Fold and the Flip lineup in July this year. So a lot of report has been coming to us that Samsung is going to include 3 rear camera on the outside of the Flip Z6 that is going to be released, and that camera includes main camera, ultra wide lens, and a zoom camera. And so that is going to be a massive upgrade from the previous Flip that Samsung has been releasing. So another rumor reaching us is that there will be a lot of color variants this coming flagship, and that includes yellow, silver shadow, mint, blue light, peach, white, and lavender colors. So there will be a lot of color options. Of course, it's going to be fun where you have this opportunity to choose the type of color that you want your phone to look like. So Samsung has got it right in this aspect. So another report reaching us is that the cover display of the phone is going to be 3.4 inches when covered, of course, but when open, it's going to be a 6.7 inch display. A display analyst, Young Rose, suggested that the Flip seat cover display could be approaching 3.9 inches. That also showed that there will be also an increase in the shape compared to Z Flip 5, which is another improvement from Samsung. Another rumor reaching us is that the size of the phone will also increase. That is going to increase to 165.0 by 67.7 by 7.4 millimeter. That means it will be slightly thicker than that of the Z Flip 5. And this also indicates that we are going to have, of course, an increase of battery size. So the rumor that we are getting from Galaxy Club suggested that Samsung is testing a battery prototype, and the leak shows that the battery they are testing now is 4,500 mAh battery. This is compared to the Galaxy Flip 5 that is 3,500 mAh of battery. So of course there will be an increase in the battery capacity according to rumor. So in the camera department, there are many reports that are coming in, but we are not yet clear because there are many reports conflicting each other's. But the major reports that we are still getting from Galaxy Club suggest that Samsung is going to move from 12 megapixel of their main camera to 50 megapixel. So that will be a huge jump from Z Flip 5 to Flip 6. And that is all we have for you in today's video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. See you in my next video.